I got a new mail from a gaming cyber today. Then I realized they are dirty mouse pads. They sent me 7 dirty mouse pads. And of course, I will clean them for free. Let's start with this one. Is that ketchup and mustard? I think someone stepped on it. Let's clean this girl. Use dish soap and a soft sponge. Look at this amazing light green. Keep scrubbing till you lose your arm. I wonder what that fat boy was eating. I bet the bacteria on this mousepad have their own society. Ops. I wonder who came up with the idea to make a mousepad in the shape of a giant chocolate slice. Germs now think it's raining. Only use cold water when washing mousepads. I never realized how much dirt and grime could accumulate on a mousepad until I see this one. Jesus Christ. Cleaning a mousepad is like a workout for your arms. I wonder what kind of creatures have made a home in my mousepad. Maybe there's a tiny mouse somewhere in here too. Flip. Are we really sure that the dust on our mousepad is just dust? What if it's a small colony of tiny aliens looking to take over our computers? needs the gym when you have a dirty mouse pad? Bye bye bubbles. Let's flip it to make sure. Good to go. Place it on a towel and roll it like a sushi. Leave it for 2 hours to dry. Ta-da, good as new!